Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just rape me in Gucci mode? All I ever asked was you to see you go say bell jingling, ring ting-a-ling-a-ling. I'm on lovely weather.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this red liner with this bold red lip look. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, definitely stay tuned. But of course, before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, stay tuned after this video if you want to see more videos from us. We do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos on this channel. So definitely stay tuned. But yeah, let's get right into this tutorial. Okay guys, so we're gonna get into the eyes. This is going to be another just eyeshadow look, but this is going to be very different and very simple actually. So basically I already have a full face of makeup. As you guys can see, my face is basically done because I was out during the day. Now usually I do kind of set my eyeshadow area, but because for this look I'm just going to be doing like something very subtle, well kind of subtle, I'm not going to go ahead and set it with concealer, and you'll understand why. The only thing I'm going to do just to remove those creases a little bit, I'm gonna dust off with, and this is my contour brush, I'm just going to dust it off a little bit. And then I'm going to go into my Sugabee Cosmetics Maziyah palette, and I'm going to be using this shade called Envy right here, and I'm going to use that all over my lid basically. So this is kind of like a simple slash boldish look. I feel like it's perfect for anyone and everyone, and it's also very out there. So So as you can see, like that shade is basically like my skin, so that's why I chose it, because we want this to be very subtle. And that's why I normally use it as a transition shade. Like, you guys are gonna be so surprised at how easy this look is that I don't think you guys are ready. But I wanted like something very bold and very simple for you guys that just want to do like a pop of color basically. Okay, so this is how my eyelids look, and I really like them. So next I'm going to go into my Covergirl Trueblend concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. I think I never say the name of the shade, but it's Warm Honey. I also use this under my eyes, on my forehead and my nose, just because I feel like it's a very good shade to highlight. So yeah, I'm just taking a little bit. I'm going to smudge that on my hand a little bit because I don't want it to be too like big, and I'm gonna go ahead and start doing a wing. So last time I did a wing liner and it was blue. This time you guys are gonna see the shade basically, and this time it's gonna be a little different because I want it to be a little bigger. Like, this is basically going to be a statement wing liner. So you really want to take your time with this, guys, and the tip that I would give you is to dip lightly in the concealer. So that's why I put it on my hand, just so I can kind of dip in and add some as I go. It's easier to add some as you go rather than putting too much and then you can't control like where it goes basically. So I think I'm liking how this wing is looking. So I'm just going to leave it like this and start working on the other eye. Okay, so this is basically how the liners are looking. You can go thicker if you want to, but I'm gonna start like this and we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna take a little brush like this, and I'm gonna take this to put under because we're gonna be using a glitter shade right now. So we're gonna scratch everything I just said I was about to say, but I'm gonna go into this shade called the Blood Sisters, and that is the shade that I'm gonna use to basically do my liner. And this one is just a shimmery shade, so you don't need any brush underneath. And yeah, just like basically fill it in. So I recommend that when you're at this area over here, tap it in, just because you want to be precise. Actually, you can tap it in everywhere at first and then drag it as you go. Okay, so this is how it is looking so far, and yeah, it's not bad. It's definitely like a statement look. So next I'm going to go into this shade, Angel Eyes, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner, in my inner tear duct. Okay, so this is basically the look. I did also think about making it darker, and for that I was gonna use my e.l.f. Rose Gold palette. You can go into a like deeper brown shade to just deepen your crease, but I think I'm gonna leave it like that because I want it to look kind of like I have nothing, and then the red eyeliner just as a statement. So next, you guys know I had to move on to lashes. So for this look, I'm going to be using my Cupcake Cutie Mink lashes, and these are in the style Buttercream. And these guys are long. These are 25 millimeters, I believe, and this is what they look like. They're basically like for my girls that like them long lashes. They're definitely a statement piece in any makeup look. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop them on. And I don't know if I've ever mentioned this, but I do use Duo lash glue to like basically put my lashes on. This one is the one that's white and it dries clear. You can use the black one too. I've used both. Honestly, they're both really good. I think Duo is a really good brand. So definitely I would recommend this, and it's affordable because it's drugstore. You can find this at any Shoppers Drug Mart, any drugstore, any Walmart. So I recommend this glue. Okay, so can you see how long these lashes are, guys? Like, oh my god. I feel like we can barely see my wing just because the lashes are so long and they just take over everything. So I'm just going and extending a little bit, just so you can see the wing a little more, you know? But anyways, that's basically done. Now we're gonna move on to the lips because I don't want a nude lip for this. I feel like I should kind of go with the theme and, you know, do something out of the box. So I'm gonna be using my Sugabee Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Act Up. And yeah, I'm just going to basically put that. I think I'm gonna just put it over so it can like kind of blend and have a different type of look. And anyways, I didn't have that much lipstick left, to be honest, guys, before you guys come for me. So I wanted a nice little red lip, and I like this red lip, but I feel like I want like a glossy red lip, so I'm gonna go in with this Skyway Beauty lip gloss, and this is in the shade Cherry. And I'm just going to put that on top because basically this is kind of like reddish, so I feel like it suits it well. And this smells so good, guys. It literally smells like cherries. Like, it smells so like fruity. So I think this is actually good for my glossy look, and this basically completes the look. Like, this was a really simple look, and I feel like I was just in the holiday vibes, you know, so I feel like it's a really nice look. It kind of matches. So guys, as you can see, this is the final look. This is what it looks like with the lashes, the lip. I feel like it's just like a bold look, and it's really definitely appropriate for this season. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a like. It definitely helps me know that you guys like these videos and you want to see more, and it also helps me out in other ways. So don't forget to give it a like. Comment down below if you like this look, or if there's any other look that you would like to see. Definitely comment them down below. And of course, any other video suggestions that you guys have that you would like to see, comment them down below, and share this video with whoever you think it might help. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
That's a maybe Christmas would be. But get again, just start to your Christmas tree. A New Year's Eve, and then I count down me a pound. At a pound round, but that's between a town and my son.